What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you. Just wanted to answer a couple questions this morning because I'm asked the same question just in different ways, and I just want to clarify on a few things as far as the hustling, finding the jobs, how to network, how do I find these jobs and contracts, how do I meet these contractors, networking, putting my money where my mouth is, buying ads, using this phone. See, everybody got one. The first thing they say, well, how do I find an AWS? Google AWS near me. Well, what about different contractors? Google a list of metal fabricators in the area near me. Well, what about getting somebody to do my website? Craigslist, Google again, Google. I mean, literally, it's that easy, bro. You got this in your hand. All you have to do is hustle. Like, literally, take some time out of your day. While you in the car with somebody else, they driving, you sitting there talking about, oh yeah, I'm going to do this when I get home. Why you can't stop it? Let me go on and post this now. For sale. You see what I'm saying? You got to hustle. Like, it got to come. You got to hustle hard where it's like natural, where everything is a hustle, and it's okay because you have to get it down like that for us to get over that threshold. So I would say utilize what you got, man. No matter what area you in. There's welding classes. There's tutors. There's repair jobs. All you have to do is throw yourself out there. But I'm going to say this because this is very important. And I'm working on my legit website now. Because I had one, I had to bring it down. And that's another thing. Make sure you spend your money with the right people. Because if you spend your money with the wrong people, you'll be chasing your tail. So I just want to say that. So now I'm about to get my official site up and having your website, having people go to it and click and leave comments on your services is very, very important. Even when you got yourself on Yelp or whatever the situation is, you want someone to do it and say, hey, go leave me a recommendation, or just say, like my services or whatnot, so that can help you. But use this phone, whatever city you in. I don't care where you in. If you in the 50 states of the United States of America, or if you overseas, I know things can be different over there. I don't know the system, so I can't really just talk over there. But I do know this. Most of y'all got this because I see y'all online. You got this phone. Utilize that phone to get you a bag.